for my Halloween angry and malignant but delicious shrimps are the shrimps themselves. I have here about 5 pounds of jumbo shrimps. So I got them deveined, cleaned and ready to go. I also have a pot of boiling water here, and I'm going to add quite a bit of salt here because I'm going to drain the water later. So it's important this water tastes as salty as seawater. Okay, in goes the shrimp into the boiling seawater. Trying not to splatter this on my dress. Maybe I should get the apron. Alright. All the shrimps are in. It will take about 5 minutes for them to cook or boil. So while my shrimp is boiling, I'm going to prepare the angry shrimps marinade. The first is a big red onion. I took a big one because there's about 5 pounds of shrimp, so it's going to be a lot. Four to 5 big garlic cloves because I have a lot of shrimps here. My onion and garlic is finely chopped. You can actually use a blender too. I could have done that, but this is fine. Let me quickly give a check on my shrimps. Just a minute more. They are changing color, cooking nicely in the salt water. Just give it a couple of more minutes. And for the sauce, I'm going to start by putting some generous amount of olive oil. My olive oil is hot. I'm going to put all the onions here and the garlic. I think my shrimps are cooked, so I'm going to take them out and drain them. Alright, here we go. Yummy. While my onion and garlic are sauteing, let me quickly give a chop to the big tomato that I have here. a little bit of salt, not a lot because shrimps are already salty, just to help the onion and garlic to caramelize better. The onion and garlic are nicely caramelized. Let me dump in the tomatoes. Increase the heat. The base for the angry shrimp gravy is ready, so I'm going to start putting together all the spices and interesting things that go in. So first I'll put a large spoon or a cup of red pepper paste. Now if it's not there, it's fine. You can add a little more paprika, but I had it. The second item is I want to put a little bit of allspice, just a half a teaspoon. I love the smell of the allspices. And you know what? I'm going to just turn this down. And the next thing that goes in is the paprika. Paprika is what gives the angry shrimps the red color. Angry color, it's not spicy, but it has that smoky flavor and I love it. I'm also going to enhance the flavor with a good teaspoon of harissa sauce. This is a Middle Eastern spice. I'm in love with this paste. Just a little more because they're angry. And then I have some white pepper powder. You can use any powder. I had this, so I'm going to put this. And then I also like to put maple syrup. You can use honey, but I like the nutty flavor of the maple syrup. Just a glug of it. Some red wine vinegar. Everything you can see, it's in the theme of red. I'm going to put a big spoon of tomato paste. And you guys, I have a great tip for how to save this tomato paste. After you open the can, I just put some olive oil in it and then stick it back in the refrigerator, and this is good to go. So I don't need to waste tomato paste every time I open a can. It's a tip that my mother-in-law told me. Okay, so now look at this. This is red. I'm angry, but very, very yummy. It smells like $1 million right here. And let this caramelize a little more, maybe for 5 more minutes, and then we'll throw in the shrimp, and my angry and malignant Halloween shrimp is ready, and I am sure people are going to have good time with this in the party tonight. So I'm going to put all these shrimps in it that I had boiled earlier in the salt water. Try not to splatter it on myself. Whoa, this is, people are going to be so happy eating this angry shrimps. You're going to be very happy eating angry shrimps, I'm telling you. Oh, so cute. You guys, this is not hot at all, so I'll say. I don't know what type of steel is this. It allows me to hold it. I think my shrimp is ready. I'm going to let it cook just a minute more for the sauce to be incorporated into the shrimp. And then I'm going to transfer it to a platter and off I go. The angry shrimps are really ready to go. I'm going to put them on the platter. Ooh. My God, this looks like $1 million right here. You can have my angry shrimps were ready in 10 minutes. I'm going to give it a quick taste. The sauce is perfect. It's a mixture of tanginess, some hot sauce, some sweet salt. It's a combination of all flavors coming together in unity. Amazing. I'm so thrilled. Since my angry shrimps were so less labor intensive and I did it in 10 minutes, I thought of making a simple dessert as well. This is, wow, this is a pineapple halwa. There is a video already available and I'll link it. This is a 3-ingredient dessert with no baking involved. It took me another 10 minutes. So I'm going to take this, and who will know, I have these 2 gourmet meals in 20 minutes. Hopefully there's enough candy for the children. They're like jewels. Okay, I'm all set with my Halloween, and I am going to taste one of these candies. This is what Halloween means.